Hi everyone, welcome today. War day number 273. Yes, 273 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything changed in the world. Yes, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, November the 23rd, 2022. We have here not so good news, only three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. There is no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. No additional. A lot of commercial about the Black Friday. What I will do today is to solve the rest of the puzzles. In the yesterday's newspaper, yes, the yesterday's newspaper. In the Tuesday edition, yes, the Tuesday edition. I have here the Tuesday edition here. We have three puzzles left. The ladder Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Tuesday edition, November the 22nd, yes. Alright, let me start with the first one. The binary, it's binary time on Wednesday, yes. This one will be number 5523. 553. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Let me see. Here another double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O. Sorry. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5, the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Alright. Then, I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, 3 also. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about the most? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, need to think now. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Alright. Overlook this double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, yeah. Maybe I no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Well, and now. No. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. I need to compare now, I think. Need to compare. Alright. This is different. Okay. This column and that column. 1, 1. 1. Empty box. 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Alright. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, completed in 9 minutes. Well. You need to compare 1 time. Yeah, and I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.